Can you hear the difference? I can buy myself flowers. Buy myself flowers. What did I do differently? The answer, vowels. If you struggle with pitch, tension, sounding more amateur than you would prefer, high notes, or vocal control, vowels can help you with all of those things. Everything we sing revolves around vowels. That is why I put so much focus on vowels as a teacher. The transformations can be dynamite, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be on a roll, pal. Just don't forget me when you're famous. In this video, I'm going to cover why vowels are important for singing, how to sing with better vowels, vowel modification, and more. So buckle up. Your singing might just change forever after this. Hello, mood makers. My name's Olivia Peck. I'm your local millennial voice teacher. I've been a singing teacher for about 10 years. I have students all over the globe, all with different accents and unique voices. What's one thing they all have in common? They all have better vowels than they did before and better singing because of it. So what's the deal with vowels anyway? Let's talk about why vowels are important for singing. To demonstrate the importance of vowels, here's me singing the emo song Hands Down with those very specific emo vowels that we all know and love. Hands down, this is the best day I can ever remember. Now let me sing this song in the style of Florence and the Machine. Hands down, this is the best day I can ever remember. If you play that back, you will see that I shaped my vowels differently. Is that the only thing I did? No. But vowels played probably one of the biggest roles in totally transforming my sound. So, why is that? When you think of a trumpet, violin, flute, or any other instrument, chances are you've noticed that they all have something in common. They all have a place where the sound escapes. A hole. Technical term. When you cover that up, the sound becomes muffled and the quality changes. The human body is our instrument as singers. The way we shape our vowels is one big thing that helps shape our sound. It's when our mouth is open, aka when singing vowels, the sound is able to escape, as opposed to consonants. So let me give you one more example of this. Accents. When we speak in a different accent, one big thing we are doing differently is how we shape our vowels. Don't worry, I will demonstrate some poorly executed accents just so you can compare how different vowel shapes really do change our sound. Hi, it's me, Olivia Peck. 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 Hi, it's me, Olivia Peck, your local millennial voice teacher. Okay, I'm sweating. I really hope that helped because that was really embarrassing. So you might be wondering, is there an ideal accent for singing? Yeah. Kind of, actually, yeah. Let's talk about it. How to sing with better vowels. To have good singing vowels, we have to be aware of 4 major things. Our jaw, tongue, soft palate, and mouth or lips. All 4 of these things help shape our vowels. Quick sidebar if you're not sure what your soft palate is. I do have a video on it, but really quickly I'll explain. It's that soft, squishy part at the back of the roof of your mouth. When we sing, we want it to be slightly lifted. You can feel your soft palate lift when you start to yawn or sigh. The more your soft palate lifts, the more hooty your sound is. The more relaxed your soft palate is, the more it sounds just like a regular speaking voice, usually. Now that we got that out of the way, let's practice our singing vowels. Let's start with E. First, just say E with me. E. You may notice that when you say E, that vowel is a little bit more wide and closed than the other vowels. Now try saying rolling in the deep. Now try singing it. Rolling in the deep. When we sing, we want to elongate our E vowel, okay? It makes it easier to sing. Say it with me. E. Not E, but E. My mouth is a little bit more open. My jaw and tongue are relaxed. And my soft palate is lifted a little bit. E. Now let's think rolling in the deep instead of rolling in the deep. Try it. Rolling in the deep. Wow. Next, let's explore A. Just say hey like you normally would. Hey! Now let's sing A like you speak it. Hey, Jude. Let's fix it. Say it with me, everyone. A. Mouth is more open. Soft palate is slightly lifted. Tongue and jaw are relaxed. Say, hey, Jude. Now let's sing it. Hey, Jude. So much better. One of the hardest vowels is ah. Try saying the word hallelujah. Now sing it just like that. Hallelujah. Now say for me, ah. Mouth is more open. Jaw and tongue relaxed. Soft palate slightly lifted. Ah. Let's try singing hallelujah with our new ah vowel. Hallelujah. Wow, you sounded so professional. We're not done yet. We still need to do oh, as in oh no, not the gumdrop buttons. Say the sentence, let me go home. Home. Ooh. Now sing it just like that. Let me go home, home. Let's fix it. Say, oh, not oh, but oh. You get the picture? Jaw and tongue are more relaxed. Oh. The mouth is more open and also rounder. Oh. The soft palate, again, is a little bit more lifted. Now sing, let me go home with your new O vowel. Let me go home. Okay, Michael Bublé. Last one for today, I promise. The OO vowel. This one is the hardest for me, okay? Because I like to say ew, ooh, but we don't want to say ew, we want to say ooh. Just say ooh like you normally would, ooh. Say for me, baby, it's you. Now sing it like that, baby, it's you. Ooh. Let's fix it. Say ooh, baby, it's you. You, not Soulja Boy. The millennial is showing. All right, let's sing it with that nice ooh, baby, it's you. Beyonce would be proud. There's something else that could elevate your singing. You know what it is? Controlling diphthongs. Diphthongs are when we have two vowels right next to each other, like the words hi, my, name, float, rain. You get me? When we sing, we want to make sure we watch out for those pesky diphthongs and maybe even eliminate them altogether. I sort of tricked you into doing this earlier with phrases like I want to go home. I didn't have us sing home. I just focused on the O part. Let me go home. Kind of tricked you. So once you know what a diphthong is, you can't really unsee it or unhear it. So I apologize in advance. I could go on and on about this one, but instead, I'm going to try to cram in one more tidbit about vowels. And that is vowel modification. Think about that phrase, rolling in the deep. If you listened carefully, you'll notice that I modified my vowel as I sang a higher pitch. Deep, deep. I did more of a eh on that higher note to give myself a little bit more space. We can modify our vowels to make singing easier. You'll notice that in the song Don't Stop Believin', we don't hear Steve Perry go, don't stop believin'. He actually sings, don't stop believin'. Don't stop believin'. He likely did this to open up that vowel more and give him some more space to sing those high notes. And guess what? No one thinks twice about that. No one thinks he sounds weird, and no one thinks he's opening his mouth too much. So don't be afraid to test out different vowels, see which ones you like the most, and really open up just a little bit more to give that sound some space. Sing on different vowels throughout your range to see just how much you need to open up to sing comfortably. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like so that Mr. YouTube knows that you are the target audience. If you feel lost, I got you. Like so many students, you can always sign up for a one-on-one lesson with me on my website, oliviapeck.com. I'd love to meet you. Also, I go live every week to answer comments from the week. So if you've got questions, make sure you hit that subscription button and notification bell so you don't miss out on those live streams and those fun little new videos. Most importantly, I hope you have a wonderful day. And as Lester Holt always says, take care of yourselves and each other. Happy singing! If you want to learn more about how to change your sound, not just with vowels, but other ways as well, check out this video next, your vocal timbre.